Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to enter secret recovery phrase MetaMask, only way. Open MetaMask, choose Import using seed phrase, and verify you're not on a phishing page. Use a hardware or offline device if possible, and type each word exactly with single spaces between words. Double-check spelling and order before submitting. Then create a strong password and enable biometric or hardware protection to complete the restore securely and confidently. When entering your secret recovery phrase, focus on accuracy and patience. Start by selecting the correct wallet network and the import or restore option. Slowly type each word in sequence, avoiding autocorrect and extra spaces. After input, verify all words visually, then set a strong password and enable two-factor or biometric locks if available. Finally, test by viewing account balances and send a tiny transaction to confirm successful restoration. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides for you. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers to stay organized while managing crypto and daily life, and they make busy mornings simpler. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Protecting your seed phrase is the single most important step for wallet security. Treat it like cash or critical legal documents. Never disclose it, never store it in cloud notes, and never enter it on unknown websites. Prefer air-gapped or hardware methods when restoring, and keep an offline physical backup, such as a metal plate or sealed paper in a safe. Regularly review device security and update passwords for ongoing protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.